Elvis said goodbye in his own special way, but I